At Viking Plastics in Louisville, Kentucky, we provide quality products and services throughout the Southeast U.S. and across the country. We house injection molding machines ranging from 180 to 720 ton. As a lean manufacturer, we're committed to continuous improvement, eliminating waste, and the highest standards of quality control. Viking Plastics Kentucky is ISO 9001:2015 certified, a listed military and UL supplier, and provides products that meet National Sanitation Foundation standards. We serve a diverse group of industries including filtration, battery cases, lawn and garden, specialty packaging, and appliance. We mold a variety of materials including high-temperature, acid-resistant, and flame-retardant resin used for various applications in electrical, food contact, battery cases in the automotive and transportation industries, and other applications. In addition, Viking Plastics Kentucky produces products for filtration applications, including brackets, assemblies, and housings. We have a wide range of capabilities and value-add services, including pad printing, assembly, insert and overmolding, electronic testing, seal insertion, and 3D printing. At Viking Plastics Kentucky, we are a full-service partner with you every step of the way, from design and material selection through additional processing, testing, and specialty operations. Visit our website at vikingplastics.com to learn more.